Good morning, children. I hope all of you are doing great at home. Today we are going to start a new lesson number 3, the earth, how it looks. In this lesson, we will learn about what is a globe, what is a map, name of the continent and ocean, direction, compass, and its uses. Let's start this lesson. The earth is very big in size. It is not possible to see the earth at one time. So we have to make a model of the earth to study it. A model of the earth is called a globe. It is shaped like a ball. It shows different cities, countries, mountains, rivers, and other things on the surface of the earth. The globe is usually mounted on a stand. A metal rod passes through its center. We can turn the globe easily round this rod. It is difficult to see the details of every country on the globe and also difficult to carry from one place to another. To see the details, we use a map. A map is a drawing of the whole or a part of the earth on a flat surface. Maps are of many kinds. Small maps can be pasted in the book, folded and kept in our pocket. Sometimes we use large size of maps and hang them in the walls. These are called wall maps. A book of map is called an atlas. Now we will study about continent and ocean. In the previous chapter, we have already learned about 70% of the earth is covered with water. The blue part on the globe shows the water bodies on the earth. These water bodies are called ocean. There are 5 large oceans on the earth. Repeat after me. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Oceans, and Antarctic Oceans. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. The remaining 30% of the water is covered with land. The brown part on the globe shows the large areas of land on the earth. They are called continents. There are 7 continents on the earth. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent of the earth. Do you know one more thing? Our country, India, lies in Asia continent. Now let's move to the last topic of this video, that is direction. All maps follow the 4 main directions. These directions are east, west, north, and south. The top part of the map is north, the bottom part is south, to the right is east, and to the left is west. These directions helps to locate places on the map. The compass is like a watch. It has a needle which always points to the north direction. The compass helps to know the direction on the map. Now let's revise what we have learned from this lesson. Number 1. A globe is a model of the earth. Second number, map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Then there are 5 oceans. Repeat after me. There are 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Oceans, and Antarctic Oceans. Then the 7 continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. Lastly, we have learned the use of compass to know the direction. How many directions are there, children? There are 4 directions: north, south, east, west. This is the end of the chapter. I hope you all will seriously study this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.